XRP might be setting up for its next big leg higher, and the chart plus the ETF calendar are pointing to the same window. According to Cointelegraph's report by Nancy Lubale published today, XRP is tracing a classic bull flag on the daily chart. In plain English, price ripped higher, then cooled inside a tight, downward sloping channel. That cooling phase often resolves with an upside break if buyers reclaim control. Here are the levels that matter. Cointelegraph notes the upper flag trend line sits around the $3 area, with the 50-day simple moving average near 3.08 acting as the first ceiling. Above that, there's horizontal resistance around 3.40 and the cycle high at 3.66 printed on the 18th of July. A decisive daily close-up of the flag, and those moving average hurdles would confirm the breakout and activate a measured move toward $5. Why $5? In a bull flag, technicians often project the height of the prior rally onto the breakout point. Cointelegraph's analysis uses that logic to map a target near 5, which would be roughly a 70 to 80% move from the recent consolidation zone if momentum follows through. The second driver is the ETF clock. According to Cointelegraph, U.S. spot XRP ETF filings face key SEC deadlines between the 18th and the 25th of October 2025, with Franklin Templeton's decision date on the 14th of November 2025. Betting markets on Polymarket have pushed the odds of an approval by year-end up to the high 80s. A rules-based greenlight would open the door for steady, programmatic demand from traditional investors who cannot or will not hold spot crypto directly. Let's connect the dots. A technical compression into visible resistance, plus a catalyst window where ETF headlines can flip flows, is the kind of alignment that fuels fast moves. If buyers can reclaim 3, punch through 3.08 with volume, and absorb supply at 3.40 on the way to 3.66, the path toward the $5 projection opens up. Now the risk side. Flags can fail. If XRP loses momentum and closes back below rising short-term supports, or if the SEC slows or denies early ETF bids, the setup can stall. Watch for heavy rejections at 3.08 or 3.40 on rising sell volume. That's the tell that supply is still in charge. A clean break back below the lower flag boundary would argue for more base building before another attempt. How to track quality in real time. First, volume confirmation on any breakout attempt. Thin pushes are easy to fade. Second, open interest behavior on derivatives. Healthy increases alongside rising spot volume suggest trend strength rather than a squeeze. Third, order book depth around $3 and 3.08. Shrinking offers and sticky bids are your microsignals that resistance is weakening. What to watch on the ETF side? Monitor issuer amendments and exchange rulebook updates in the run-up to the October window. If multiple issuers update custody, surveillance sharing, and pricing language in sync, it usually means the dialogue with the SEC is progressing. If odds rise further and spreads tighten on XRP pairs, the market is pre-positioning. Bottom line. According to Cointelegraph, XRP's daily chart is printing a textbook bull flag into a catalyst-heavy autumn. Reclaim 3. Clear 3.08 and 3.40 with real participation, and a run at 3.66 and the $5 measured target is on the table. Lose those levels or see the ETF timeline slip, and the pattern likely needs more time. You've been watching Cryptozard News. Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other crypto-related news you'd like to hear in the future.